Blizzard Drills of Champions, crossover. The whole point of this drill is to go one direction and make the defender think we're going to continue going that direction, when really we're going to cross it over to our left hand and go the other direction and keep him off balance. Here's how it goes. We're dribbling right, defender at that hurdle, boom! We change directions, come off strong, high off the glass, soft off the glass, and finish the layup. Let's see our Blizzard teammates do it. We got Luke, 6th grade Blizzard stud. We got Stockton, 4th grade Blizzard. We got Derek, 4th grade crossover. Okay, let's see it done in real action. Dribble one way, crossover, change direction, go the other. Nice, Derek. Finish that high off the glass. Perfect. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. Good, Derek. Good crossover. A couple things we want to think of as we're crossing over. Keep the ball low. Don't get it high. The defender will take it from you. Also, protect the crossover with your body. Don't let that defender get his hand in there and steal that ball. So I want a little bit more left-right movement, not forward on the crossover. You can go a little forward, but I want it to go to the left. Good. So we're changing directions totally. We're going right, then we're going left. Going right, then we're going left. Going right, start crossover. Hit that hard. Good job. Awesome. Good finish, you guys. Okay. Couple more times and then it's over. We're going right, change direction on the crossover, go left. Change direction on the crossover, going left. And then we finish high, use the glass, change direction, cross it over, Luke. Keep the ball low, keep the ball under control. And we've got an awesome job on the Drills of Champions Blizzard crossover style. And as with everything, master the technique and then do it faster.